How to hide following list on Instagram. Now, in order for you to hide your following list on Instagram to everyone on the internet, all you have to do is to click on your profile icon right here and click on these three lines on the upper corner. Now, once you're here, you just have to scroll down and search for account privacy right here. Now, you just have to turn on private account right here, because when you turn on your private account or when you switch your personal account to private account, only your followers or the people who follow you will be able to see your contents as well as your followers and following. So you just have to switch on private mode right here. And let's say that the one that you want to hide your following list on Instagram is currently following you. So all you have to do is to click on your followers right here and then click on these three lines on the upper corner or beside their profile right here. And then you just have to remove them as your follower and they won't be able to see your following list on Instagram anymore. So that's how to hide following list on Instagram. Hope we help.